All right, what's up guys? Today we are mixing it up a little. This is not a Manhattan riff or variation or anything. This is actually a cool fun one called the Naked and Famous. All right, so let's just get into it. First thing we're gonna need is 20 mils of a Mezcal, then 20 mil of Chartreuse, then 20 mils of Aperol, and 20 mils of lime. We're gonna put our ice in the shaker, give it a good shake. We're gonna whip out our coupe and we'll pour it in there. And that's all it is, guys. The Naked and Famous, created by Joaquin Simo almost a decade ago, around a decade ago, during his time at Death & Co. in New York. This is like, it's a last word riff. This is actually kind of like, even Joaquin said it himself, it's the bastard love child of a last word and a paper plane. It's honestly super delicious. The first time I ever had this was in Scotland at one of the cocktail bars that I used to frequent. A friend ordered it for me and it was like, honestly, I'm not a big fan of agave stuff, but Mezcal I do enjoy. And like, you put Chartreuse in anything and it's going to be amazing. Chartreuse is just so damn delicious. With this cocktail, it is preferred to use a more smoky Mezcal. The more smokier the better usually, because it pairs nicely with the Chartreuse. The classic, like the traditional specs do call for Yellow Chartreuse. I used green. I don't have yellow, so who cares, right? The only difference between yellow and green is yellow is a little bit softer. This is gonna be higher proof and the herbal notes of it are gonna be a little bit stronger. They're gonna be a little more sharp, okay? Oh, it's so good. You're getting that orange from the Aperol. You're getting that sour tartness from the lime. That smoky Mezcal comes in right at the start with that dry, like a dry smokiness, at least this one does. Dry smokiness right off the start. Mellows out a little bit throughout, but you're still getting that smoke in there. The herbal notes, they're there at the start. They're not very like pronounced, but like once you get into the drink, they're there. Like you get that fresh herbal Chartreuse note just carrying it and picking up as it goes throughout the drink. Honestly, guys, this is probably one of my favorite shaken drinks. This one, Scofflaw, love them both. Like they're absolutely delicious. Paper Plane's delicious as well. Same with the last word. I mean, there's a lot of delicious shaken drinks, whatever. But this is one of my favorites. Okay, if you have the ingredients, guys, definitely give this a try. It's all equal parts, super simple. But that is all that I have for you today, guys. Like to keep them short and sweet as always. If you do like these videos, please let me know in the comments what you think. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be pushing out more of these every single week. All right, but until then, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.